5 minus 5 gives us 0, and on the other side, 5 minus 5 gives us 0. In the end, 0 multiplied by 0 gives us the final answer, 0. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called
PEMDAS. Think of it as a checklist that tells you which operation has the right of way. P is for parentheses. Anything inside brackets is a VIP. You must solve these groups before touching anything else. Example, 3 times open parentheses 2 plus 4 close parentheses becomes 3 times 6 equals 18. E is for exponents. These are your powers, like 5 squared. You solve them immediately after the parentheses. Example, 10 plus 3 squared becomes 10 plus 9 equals 19. M and D for multiplication and division. This is where most people fail. These two are equal partners. You do not always multiply first. Instead, you solve them from left to right, just like you are reading a book. Example, 12 divided by 3 times 2. Moving left to right, 4 times 2 equals 8. A and S for addition and subtraction. These are also a team with equal priority. Again, you simply follow the flow of the page from left to right. Example, 10 minus 7 plus 5. Moving left to right, 3 plus 5 equals 8.
Now with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video, but before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 5 minus 5 multiplied by 5 minus 5. According to PEMDAS, we must look for parentheses or exponents first, but since we have none, we move to multiplication. In this expression, there are 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we first perform the multiplication in the middle. 5 multiplied by 5 gives us 25. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 25 minus 5. Since we only have subtraction left, we simply move from left to right. 5 minus 25 gives us negative 20. Finally, negative 20 minus 5 gives us negative 25, which is our final answer.